There are no rivers in Buffalo. That is unless you count the Niagara River, which flows into Lake Erie, which borders the city of Buffalo, New York. And when it comes to ruling rivers, Buffalo rule. This makes sense considering that buffalo are one of the largest land animals on the planet. The largest buffalo that have ever existed are long extinct. But today there are two species of buffalo still with us, the African buffalo and the American bison, which can weigh up to 2,000 pounds and stand 6 feet tall at the shoulder. These massive mammals are built for life underwater. They're great swimmers and can hold their breath for up to 30 minutes. In fact, buffalo are so comfortable in the water that they sometimes fall victim to something called alligator roll, where they get rolled over by alligators or crocodiles while swimming. Buffalo are just too busy eating aquatic vegetation to realize the man-eaters are coming for them. But even though buffalo rule rivers, they don't actually live there permanently. They tend to hang out near rivers during the summer months when there's plenty of food to eat, and then move to higher ground in the fall when the river might flood. That's probably why most people don't see buffalo lounging in the shallows, because they've gone on vacation. But there's another reason people don't often see buffalo in rivers. It's because they hang out underwater. Buffalo aren't completely unbothered by humans, but we're generally more afraid of them than they are of us. So if you encounter a buffalo in the wild, it will probably run away from you. But if you encounter a buffalo in the water, it will probably run after you. Buffalo are more aggressive in the water than on land. If a buffalo charges you on land, it's going about 30 miles per hour. But if it charges you in the water, it's going 40 miles per hour. Plus, buffalo are excellent swimmers and can easily keep up with humans in the water. So don't try to escape by swimming away. Just stay calm, keep your eyes on the buffalo, and slowly back away while keeping an eye out for alligators. Now that you know how dangerous buffalo are in the water, let's take a look at some places around the world where buffalo rule the rivers. Let's start with the place buffalo got their name, Buffalo River, New York. The river is about 100 miles long and runs through the city of Buffalo. Every year, thousands of people visit the city to see the buffalo that live in the river. But they usually leave disappointed. That's because most of the buffalo in the river are underwater. If you want to see them, you need to go kayaking. There are several companies in the area that offer guided kayak tours. If you're lucky, you might see a buffalo roll an alligator. Next, let's head south to the Kafue River in Zambia. The Kafue is one of the longest rivers in Africa and is home to one of the largest populations of African buffalo. These buffalo are much smaller than their American cousins, but they make up for it in their ferocity. In the water, African buffalo are known to attack crocodiles, which are generally much larger than they are. Finally, let's head to the other side of the world, the Brahmaputra River in India. The river is about 1,800 miles long and is home to a large population of Asian buffalo. These buffalo are semi-aquatic mammals that spend a lot of time in the water. They have webbed feet that help them swim, and their horns can grow up to 5 feet long. Now that you know all about buffalo, be sure to share this video with your friends. They'll thank you for it. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the natural world. We've got all sorts of cool stuff coming up, like what would happen if a tornado hit a lake and whether or not squirrels can smile. Don't miss out. Click here to subscribe and we'll see you next time.